Hello everyone. Today we are checking a crank sensor with a multimeter. This sensor is vital. It tells your engine's computer where the crankshaft is. This timing information is crucial for fuel injection and ignition. A bad sensor can cause no starts or rough running. It might also cause a check engine light. We will show you simple steps to test it yourself. First, safety is key. Always disconnect your car's battery before working on electrical parts. Wear safety gloves. You will need a digital multimeter. A service manual for your specific vehicle is also very helpful. It provides the exact resistance values for your car's sensor. Most crank sensors are either inductive or Hall effect. We will focus on the more common inductive type first. These sensors generate an AC voltage signal. To begin, locate the crank sensor. It is usually near the crankshaft pulley or the transmission bell housing. Once found, carefully disconnect its electrical connector. Now, set your multimeter to the ohm symbol setting. This tests resistance. Touch the multimeter probes to the two signal pins on the sensor itself. Do not touch the car's harness side yet. Your multimeter should show a resistance reading. Compare this reading to your car's service manual specifications. A typical range might be between 200 and 2000 ohms. If your multimeter reads OL, open circuit, or a very low number close to zero, a short circuit, your sensor is likely bad. It needs replacement. Next, you can check for a short to ground. Keep your multimeter on the ohms setting. Touch one probe to a sensor pin. Touch the other probe to a good, clean metal ground on the engine block. You should see OL or a very high resistance. If you get a low resistance reading, the sensor is shorted internally. This means it is faulty. For a dynamic test, if you can safely do so, reconnect the sensor. Set your multimeter to AC volts. Carefully back probe the two signal wires. Have someone briefly crank the engine. Do not start it. You should see a small AC voltage reading. This might be around 0.5 to 2.0 volts AC. No voltage means no signal. This also indicates a bad sensor. Remember, this step requires caution. Hall effect sensors are different. They usually have 3 wires, power, ground, and a signal wire. A resistance check can still be done. However, confirming their square wave signal typically needs an oscilloscope. For a basic multimeter check, ensure the sensor receives proper power and ground from the vehicle's harness. You can test the harness connector for 5V or 12V supply. If your sensor's resistance is out of spec, or if it shows no AC voltage during cranking, for inductive types, it is time for a new one. A good reading does not always guarantee perfect function under all conditions. But it is a strong indicator of a healthy sensor. If the sensor tests good, your problem might be elsewhere. This could be wiring issues or the engine control unit. Thank you for watching this guide. We hope these simple steps help you diagnose your crank sensor. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more helpful automotive tips. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or your own tips. Your support helps us create more content. We appreciate you.